Dito?
Opo, yan. Set yung braso ko niya.
Okay. Here. Alright. Here. Here. Yeah, yeah. Masakit. Do you feel any changes, right?
Opo.
Oh, yeah. So you did a good choice. Okay. Then, can you speak yourself after me? Jesus is my savior. Jesus is my healer. I love Jesus. I some police lighting. Okay. So now, wala na. Now. Wala na. Okay, here. Check yourself. Bon?
Balakang.
Okay.
Dito mo. Ang dami ko pinagawa dito eh. Wala. Bigay din. Lupak lang sa apat na dito. Ano yan? Blue. Color mo yan. Hindi naman kayo. Naisip ko na.
Congratulations.
Thank you po. Thank you po, God.
Okay. Na. Wala na. That's right, what's up? Ay. Okay?
Oh,